waliwo omuwala eyasoma ne Ssemagonja mu America era nga baali beeyagala nnyo, naye taata w'omuwala yagamba Ssemagonja yeesonyiwe muwala we. Kati taata w'omuwala Patricia yafudde era omuwala ayagala kukomawo mu Uganda ewa Ssemagonja.
Yes, Ssemagonja. Yes, I always still think about him. Yeah, we were so happy and just now I can go see him and nobody can stop me. Yes, of course I'm going to Uganda. No, I'm not crazy. I'm serious. I know, but I'll do anything. I'll make it work. I'll Google it. I'll find him. I'll find a way. I know he's waiting for me. Listen, I know I need to do this. I know I need to go find him. So, yeah, I'll tell you everything. Okay, bye. Ssemagonja. So many good memories. I just missed him so much. I know he's waiting for me. I have to find him. Come on, Google. You know everything. Okay. Ssemagonja. Morgan. Come on. Morgan Ssemagonja. Wow. There he is. Artist, painter. Oh, my Ssemagonja. Sema's gallery, Uganda. Okay. Wow. Okay. Ssemagonja, here I come.
Baby?
Yes.
Today, tuyise mu bintu bingi, tuyise mu trials and tribulations nyingi mu love yaffe. Ebizibu bingi, of course, uphills biki na ki. But today,
Oh my goodness, Sam. Nayogenda kunzira mu mabwa. Are you proposing again?
no, my love.
Tugenda kola jubilee.
Honey, we are resuming. We are rekindling our
Actually,
love.
I thought tugenda kuddamu proposing.
No, honey, maybe later. Now we are rekindling our love.
Oh.
Honey,
Yes.
my sugar. Nabwe nkugambye. Tuyise mu bizibu bingi nnyo. Trials and tribulations. So many of them.
So many.
But today, njagala kuwa assurance that we are starting on a new slate. Ebizibu byonna tubyerabire. We are newly married as of today.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, my sugar.
You mean that?
I promise you, I'm never ever sigenda kuddamu kuwa mwikiza kuinsinuate nga kintu kyonna bakulowooza nti
Yes.
You're
right. Promise me tugenda kuddamu kuteekawo mbeera ekulabisa bubi. Situation eziraga nti oba nkutolina kintu nga tokirinako nno oluusi.
I promise you, my sugar. Sigenda kuddamu kuteekawo mbeera yonna oba situation oba wandibaawo akantu wano oba nothing. I mean, why would I promise you, my baby, because I love you.
I love you too, Sam. I love you so much. I love you. You have no idea.
I know. I love you more.
Well, Nange, I want to apologize to you. Someone saw you way for everything. I love you so much. Like, I love you more than anything in this world. You have no idea. I know that nkulumiza kukubya MP, but
tukendeza kumpi. naddala mu bantu kireka bubi nnyo.
No, but it's all love, my love. It's all
understand.
love because
I know.
omukazi atakwagala tasobola kati
kakati mbalisa omukwano ogwo gukenderemuko awali empiye gukenderemu katono.
Okay, fine. I also swear to you. I swear to God that starting today, tuzebujja tuzebupya sigenda kuddamu concludinga. Like sigenda kuddamu kupapa. Oba ndabye ekintu nja kisooka nti with time.
Badde saba. Ako tuko tukesonyiwe. That clause okupapa no concluding amangu tetugyesonyiwe. Tukisussa.
No,
tusimbudde naye tukisussa. Kisusiza nnyo. Okusimba tusimbudde mulava empya. Tusimbudde naye tukisussa baby.
I love you so much.
I love you more.
I love you.
I love you more.
Today patale kuddamu kweyombya. I think ekintu kigenda tuyamba kufixinga marriage yaffe bulungi. I think we should get a BABY.
Of course.
Give me a hug. Oh, I love you, darling. I love you so much. Oh, baby, I have to go. Eh?
I know.
You're not picking us as a joke. What daddy will be.
I love you.
I love you. Okay, baby.
Osanze mu art gallery yange ndi mukola mirimu gyange disorganized young man.
Darling, I'm going to pick us Susan.
Okay, sugar.
Love you.
Love you, mom.
Kabake.
Oh, my flower. Oh my God. Finally, the new slate. Yes, finally. Nkomyewo ne mukyala wange Becky Jjuuko. No more tricks, no more foolery, no more jokes. Nkoyo omuntu bonna omuteka mu situation okulooza nti oba ndi musango oba bambi ndi mukyamu. Now that we are back together, I'm the happiest man in the world. Thank you, God.
Ssemagonja.
Priscilla!
Ssemagonja.
Priscilla! Priscilla!
It's you.
What are you doing here? Oh my God, Priscilla!
Ssemagonja, he's dead.
What?
My father,
Who?
he died, but...
Oh, sorry
but-
about that. I'm so sorry to hear that.
I know, but now nobody can stop us.
What?
We can be together. When my father split us up, I wanted to commit suicide.
What?
It was so hard, but I knew that you were waiting for me, just like I was waiting for you. And I kept myself for you. I haven't been with anybody else.
What?
And I know you did
You've
the
not
same
been
too.
with anybody else?
No, of course not. And I know you kept yourself for me too.
I had to, of course.
And now we can finally get married.
Huh?
And nobody can stop us.
Of course.
Oh, I missed you so much.
I missed you more.
Okay, hold on a second. 1 second. Hello? Yeah, Grand Hotel? Oh no. Yeah, I'm checking out tomorrow because I'll be spending the night with my hubby. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'll be right there. Bye. So I have to go take care of a few things and whatever. But I'm checking out tomorrow and then I can stay with you. I have a Uganda number now, so just give me your number and I can call you tomorrow.
Okay.
Perfect. And then we can meet up.
You can call me when you go out. I can get yours also.
I'll call you.
Yes.
Oh, so nice to see you again. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Super delighted to see you.
I know. Me too. I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you.
Bye.
I'm happy. I'm the happiest man. God. My life is ruined. Banange mukama. Where did I ever go wrong? Nazanso bichi. Nakaddawo with my wife. Twakaddamu terera with my baby, with my married wife. 5 years in marriage. Twakaterera. Tubadde mbizibu. Thinking everything is now settled. There comes Priscilla. Priscilla naye mu America. So many years ago, sikyajjukira na kujjukira. Yes, of course, we were so much in love. Twali mukwano gw'amaanyi. Tata we nabiyingiramu n'atulemesa. N'agamba we can't be together.
You know I'm Priscilla's father. That's why I called you here. I understand that you and Priscilla are in love. Well, you're just kids. How can you be in love? You're not responsible, you don't have a job, and you're screwing her up. She's getting bad grades because of you. And because of you, I had to send her to London. Do you understand? So she can focus on her studies.
Yes, sir.
But her head's still screwed up with you. I don't know what... I want you to stop communicating with her altogether. Do you understand that?
I understand, sir. But, sir, I want to tell you something. I really love Priscilla deep inside of my heart.
I don't care if you love Priscilla deeply in your heart. It has to stop. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. I love her. I love Priscilla.
It has to stop. If it does not stop, if you do not stop calling my daughter, I will have you deported to Uganda. Do you understand that?
Sir, Priscilla is my everything.
Out! Out! That's enough. And don't come back and don't communicate with Priscilla anymore. Do you understand?
I still love Priscilla.
Nangamba agenda kundipotinga. Nemmanja bagenda kundipotinga nve ku mwana we. Nali nsazeewo omuwala we muvuddeko ne twesuubiza with the girl. Sigenda kuddamu kufalinga mu love. Bwe nali nsuubidde, bwe nali nkyagadde. Of course, I wasn't in control. Yalwawo okujja. What was I supposed to do? She couldn't come. Namulinda, nenkomawo Uganda, nemulinda. Then I thought maybe all hope was lost. I fell in love with someone else. Life moved on. Here I am. Priscilla akomawo. I'm married. Myaka 5. Nina ebizibu. Sina ngeri gye ngamba Becky Jjuuko. Tiwayi Becky Jjuuko. Munnange. Mpayo emyaka 2. Njagalemu ku oli omukadde. Obedda. No. Sina ngeri gye gamba ono nti munnange I love you so much. Ku ngeri gyazzeemu. N'engeri gya taata we bw'afudde akomewo Uganda for me. She can even commit suicide. Nsobola okwejjawo naye tta. What am I going to do? Ngenda kukola ntya? Becky Jjuuko mukoze ntya? Priscilla mukoze ntya? Byange bikomye. Ay.
Hey!
Hey!
Mwah. Mwah. We missed you.
I missed you more.
Love, hi. So,
Yes.
tubative abade bapinga season
Yes.
and the Twitter market. We bought this to celebrate our renewal. To sealing.
New beginning.
Okusiringa.
New beginning.
Oh yes.
No more fighting. No more slaps.
Yes.
No nothing.
Yes.
True new love.
Ay.
Celebrate.
Yes, we do it at home.
Oh my love. Oh, happy renewal.
You too.
I'm happy
I
for
love
you
you
guys.
so much.
You too.
What's wrong? You look tense.
I know.
What's on your food?
Oh, my best wine.
Oh yes,
Thank you.
and I knew you loved it, so that's why you kaguze.
You're happy? Tears
Tears of joy.
Tears of joy.
Oh, I know, honey, it's fine. Not going to another day, but now I understand. Now let's talk about. Just stop crying.
Tears of joy.
Tears of joy. I
Mpesanyu.
Oh, darling, I know, I understand.
Omukwano gwaffe gutandise n'amaanyi ddala.
I knew. I promise you, I give you this wine. Njagala tuweze ujja. Oh, don't cry, my love. I love you so much.
Tears of joy.
Andy.
Oh. Ay.
Oh.
Edde. Kwano mungi mpe.